Hello, this is Carl Charba with Joyful Casa, and another What the Health minute or five or two regarding the lime, lime, lime essential oil, and we're going to have a little fun discussion about the lime fruit itself. It's really hard to get without the shine. There we go, Citrus aurantifolia. Okay, so let's talk about limes. The little round green citrus things that are high in vitamin C can be grown year-round as long as there's no frost. Now, citruses in general are really fun because they hybridize easily. That's why there's so many different variations of oranges, limes, lemons, and grapefruits. Just off the top of your head, you can probably name a dozen. Well, there's even more than a dozen of just lime variations. The main citrus progenitors are citron, mandarin orange, pomelo, and then more specifically to the lime is Citrus micrantha, which is native to the southern Philippines. They think most limes came from southern Philippines and Indonesia and then branched out from there. The three most common limes you can find globally are the kaffir lime, the key lime, which is a hybridization of micrantha and citron, and the Persian lime. The Persian lime is actually the #1 lime produced globally, with Mexico being the largest producer. That one is actually a key lime hybrid. So a lime hybrid, a lime went into making this lime hybrid. It's a lime and a lemon together for the Persian lime. We just mentioned that doTERRA lime comes from the Citrus aurantifolia. The limes came to the west about the year 1000 AD around the Mediterranean. Citrus fruits in general spread very quickly along shipping lanes because sailors ate the citrus to ward off scurvy. The British Empire in particular switched over from lemons to limes. I don't know why, but they did. And that's why it became a nickname for a British sailor to call them limeys, because they ate lots of limes. With regard to cuisine, limes are a staple in Mexican, Vietnamese, and Thai dishes. Certain Indian dishes require the use of pickled limes, and in the Persian Gulf, you could get a spice mixture called baharat, also known as kabasa, that uses dried limes as part of the spice. And in the West, of course, we have key lime pie, but Australia likes to do fun things with their limes and make marmalades. Fun factoid about the lime, actually kind of a hazardous, material warning here. Handling too many lime peels or too much lime juice, in addition to UV light exposure, can give you a fun condition called phytophotodermatitis. Phyto meaning plant, photo meaning light, derma, skin, and itis meaning inflammation. Basically, your skin starts to bubble and blister because you've got photosensitive chemicals and compounds in your skin from handling the limes. And when you expose that to the UV light, it works just like a plant does. It starts making energy, except you can't do anything with it. You don't have any chlorophyll, or you don't make any glucose. You don't respirate. You just burn like a slab of bacon. So yeah, the bartenders actually have to worry about this as well if they handle too many limes and lemons and go out and I guess sunbathe. They have to be very careful about this. And all of your essential oils that have strong citric acids like your limes and lemons, or come from fruit. Sorry, all the essential oils that come from citruses. If you handle them too much, then go out running around in the sun, you'll start to blister and bubble like a lime-scented strip of bacon. So watch out for that. Anywho, what can you be doing with your lime essential oil? You can diffuse it. Oh, sorry. Let's go to the primary benefits real quick. Supports healthy immune function. Positively affects mood with stimulating and refreshing properties. It's used as an aromatic, topical, and internal cleanser and promotes emotional balance and well-being, as long as you're not sunbathing with it. Uses. Diffuse to cleanse the air and lift your mood. Put some lime on a cotton pad and use it to help remove grease spots and sticker residue. Just be careful about using it on plastic to remove that sticker residue because it might melt the plastic, but it should work fine for glass or your countertops. Add a drop of lime to your favorite beverage or drinking water. Like you can do a gin drink, like a gin and tonic, and put a couple of drops of the lime oil in there. It's very refreshing. You can also add a drop to your facial cleanser or shampoo for added cleansing properties. And anywho, so yeah, that's your quick little What the Health Minute on the lime, specifically Citrus aurantifolia, which aka is a key lime. This is a key lime. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Enjoy your limes.